Looking to buy a new mobile phone? Wondering which one is the best fit for you? You've come to the right place. In this video, we'll be comparing the top 5 mobile phones available in today's market. We'll scrutinize each one, considering their unique features, price, and overall performance. From the latest innovations to the most cost-effective options, we've got you covered. So buckle up and prepare for an exciting journey into the world of top-tier mobile technology. Stay tuned as we dive into the world of top-tier mobile technology. Kicking off our list, we have Phone 1, a true contender in the mobile market. This device is a marvel of modern technology, boasting features that set it apart from the crowd. With an ultra-high-definition display that brings your content to life and a camera that captures stunningly clear photos, Phone 1 is a multimedia powerhouse. It's not just about looks, though. This phone packs a punch when it comes to performance. With a lightning-fast processor and ample memory, you can multitask with ease and never worry about lag. But what makes Phone 1 truly stand out is its long-lasting battery life. This phone can keep you connected all day without breaking a sweat. And the price? It's competitive, offering top-tier specs without breaking the bank. That was the mighty Phone 1, a powerhouse of a device. But there's more to come. Next up, we have Phone 2, giving a tough competition to its peers. This device has managed to carve out its niche in the mobile world with some truly impressive features. Its camera quality is top-notch, capturing every detail with precision. When it comes to performance, Phone 2 does not disappoint. The lightning-fast processor ensures a smooth and seamless user experience, making it a worthy contender in the smartphone race. What sets Phone 2 apart from Phone 1, you ask? The former boasts a longer battery life, allowing users to go about their day without worrying about finding the nearest charging point. It's a game-changer for those who value uninterrupted connectivity. As for the price, Phone 2 is slightly pricier than Phone 1. However, for the added benefits, the cost is well justified. It's a great investment for those who seek top-tier performance and lasting durability in a smartphone. Phone 2 certainly holds its own, but can the next contender outshine it? Moving forward, let's look at Phone 3 and Phone 4, two strong contenders in the race. Phone 3 is a powerhouse of technology. It has a large, vibrant display that offers a stunning visual experience. The camera system on this phone is quite impressive, with its ability to capture detailed and vibrant photos in any light condition. Under the hood, it's powered by a robust processor that ensures smooth performance, even when running demanding applications. As for the price, it falls into the premium category, but considering the features it offers, it's worth every penny. On the other hand, Phone 4 is a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on features. It comes with a decent display, a capable camera system, and a reliable processor. It might not be as powerful as Phone 3, but it handles daily tasks with ease. It's an excellent choice for those who want a good phone without breaking the bank. Comparing these two phones to Phone 1 and Phone 2, we see a distinct difference. Phone 3 and Phone 4 offer more in terms of performance and features. Phone 3, with its premium features and exceptional performance, outshines Phone 1, while Phone 4, even as a budget-friendly option, provides a better value for money than Phone 2. In essence, Phone 3 and Phone 4 are both excellent choices, each catering to a different segment of the market. Phone 3 is for those who want the best of the best and are willing to pay for it. Phone 4 is for those who want a reliable, feature-packed phone at a reasonable price. Phone 3 and Phone 4, each with their own strengths, but the final phone might just take the crown. Finally, we have Phone 5, the last but certainly not the least on our list. This innovative piece of technology is a game-changer with its high-end features. It boasts a top-notch camera that captures stunningly clear photos and videos, a robust processor for smooth performance, and a long-lasting battery that can easily get you through a busy day. Its sleek and modern design is a testament to the sophistication that lies within. When it comes to price, Phone 5 sits comfortably in the mid-range category, making it an attractive option for those who want premium features without breaking the bank. But how does it stack up against the previous models? Well, it certainly holds its own, offering a balance between affordability and high-end capabilities. That concludes our roundup of the top 5 mobile phones. Remember, the best phone for you depends on your individual needs and budget.